In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scaffold, test, and deploy a full-stack Next.js plus Node.js plus PostgreSQL app with a custom domain and SSL. We'll start by preparing the project. Open your terminal and create a new folder for your app, then change into it and open it in your editor. If you're using VS Code, that's as simple as making a directory, moving into it, and launching the editor from the terminal. Next, start a Claude Code session. Ask it to act as a full-stack engineer and scaffold a Next.js frontend with a Node.js backend and PostgreSQL, including authentication, a dashboard, and a responsive UI. Request the full folder structure and code step by step so you can copy files into your project cleanly. Once the scaffolding is in place, test locally. In one terminal, navigate to the frontend folder, install dependencies, and start the development server. In another, do the same for the backend. Open your browser to http://localhost 3000 and make sure the app renders. You can navigate to the dashboard and authentication screens appear. If anything fails, read the terminal output for missing environment variables or build errors and fix them before moving on. Choose your hosting setup. Vercel is ideal for the Next.js frontend. Railway, Render, or Fly.io are great for hosting the backend and database. If you want full control, consider AWS, DigitalOcean, or Cloudflare, but expect more configuration. Let's deploy the backend with Railway. Install the Railway CLI globally, log in, run the initialization command in your backend folder, then deploy. When it finishes, copy the backend URL it provides. You'll use this for your front-end API calls. Now deploy the front-end with Vercel. Install the Vercel CLI, log in, and run the deployment command from your front-end folder. When prompted, provide a project name. Before finalizing, set the backend API URL in your front-end environment by adding next public API URL with the Railway backend URL. If you add this after the first deploy, redeploy to pick it up. Link your custom domain, purchase one from a registrar, then open DNS settings. Add a name record for